Hey, today is my oldest son's birthday. He is turning 11 years old today. So he wanted to have a Hollow Knight birthday party. You know about Hollow Knight? It's not a super popular game. It's not taking over the world like Minecraft or anything. So fun and decorations, very hard. So what we did is got out some construction paper and some poster board. And I made some of my own. Here's the knight, made out of construction paper, cut out and glued together. And here is a poster size knight. Here's the background. The background is charcoal. The body of the knight is poster board, white poster board, blue poster board, and black poster board. There's some Sharpie going on and white charcoal pencil to create the highlights on the flaps of this cape. Pretty cool in my opinion. Jackson loves it. Happy birthday, dude. Love you.